How to write name in blue color in Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Play Store on a device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Now type fancy text generator. Now once you're done, simply tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on fancy text generator and click on install. Now wait for some time. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now tap on the text box and type the name. Now copy the blue text. Now go back to the home screen and open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on edit profile. Now tap on name. Now paste the name and tap on the tick icon. Now click on change name and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.